Hi, this is Jim Cramer from TheStreet.com with a roadmap for options expiration week. First of all, only 4 times a year do you have options coinciding with earnings. We tend to want to believe that earnings will drive things. That's not been the history of the market since 2000. What moves things this week is options expiration. 2 things you need to know. One is that there will be a serious down day this week. We will struggle for reasons. The headline will be because of subprime probably at some bank, or because interest rates go more toward 5.25 for the 10-year. I want you to ignore those. I want you to remember that we have that down day. Secondly, and this is very hard for people to understand unless they've traded options, Wednesday at 2:30 is when we get a floor look at what everybody has to do. In other words, Morgan, Goldman, Merrill will report basically to the floor of options, but then of course to each other, how much to buy versus sell there is. If I am right, and I believe the week will be biased upward, you will begin to see between 2:30 and 3 o'clock a rise in the market. If we get that, it's clear sailing until Friday. So now let's put the roadmap all together. Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, there will be a big volatile day. Looks like right now Monday's not going to be it. Volatile meaning go down a lot. So you want to save your powder for that moment if you're going to play expiration. Now let's just back up. Let's say you want to buy a stock and you're looking for a right entry point. Let's use AIG as an example, which I own for ActionAlertsPlus.com. Here's a stock that's $100 billion market cap, clearly flirting with the 70 level. When we get that decline that I'm looking for between now and Wednesday, that stock could drop to 68 and change, 69. That would be your chance to buy it with the expectation that the bias upward will take it to 70 and you'll get a better entry point. How widespread is this? Apple looks like it's going to 140. Maybe Apple drops down to 134, 36.7. That will be your chance. I'm also seeing this with IBM. I think that stock goes out at 110. If it drops to 108, 107, you'll have your entry point. Should you just go in right now and start buying? If you feel so constrained that you have to put money to work, it's not what I want you to do. Only put a quarter of your position on, because you need to be ready for that down day that is almost invariably caused by options week.